I, Karan Parekh, from the land of Amravati, which has been blessed by the virtues of Sant Gadge Maharaj and Bhausaheb Punjab Rao Deshmukh, feel immensely proud to convey my thoughts on patriotism and nation building with the spirit of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Prayas and Sabka Vishwas. Ladies and gentlemen, when I look at this topic, I see three major aspects to it. Number one is patriotism, number two is nation building, and number three is how closely they are related to each other in an anatomy just as heart and brain. If I talk about patriotism, ladies and gentlemen, after listening to many great pundits and historians, I see that patriotism has two different narratives. Number one being the global perspective, and number two is the Indian thought. The global perspective is basically derived by the events that unfolded in the 1700s. We know about the French Revolution, the American War of Independence, but they flourished the ideas of liberty, equality, fraternity, and democracy in this entire world by igniting a sense of agitation against the British imperial rule. In the times of COVID, they say COVID is everywhere. In those times, British imperial rules were everywhere. And if I talk about the Indian perspective, patriotism in Indian perspective can be seen in hundreds and thousands of years back in the times of Ramayana, Mahabharata, the Sikh, the Maratha movement, the Rajput movement led by the War of 1857, the non-cooperation movement, the non-civil alliance movement, and finally the War of 1947, but legalizing the framework in 1950. But patriotism to me, what does it mean? The Indian thought says that mother and motherland are the same, and to respect and to protect the both is our prime duty. So patriotism to me as an individual is to have the same feeling of love, affection, devotion, care, respect and sacrifice towards my mother and my motherland. Where nation building to me, I can say, if every mother is a homemaker, then nation building is no different than the process of building your own house, revolutionizing it time to time, and also thinking ahead of the future. In these present times, ladies and gentlemen, patriotism and nation building have been boxed to a different meaning. They have been narrowed down. Standing on the borders and dying for the nation is not only patriotism. And also any Bollywood actor talking wrongly about India's freedom, a group of youth raising anti-national slogans, political parties and other companies hindering the peace of this nation in the form of national interest is not patriotism, and neither their actions are contributing towards nation building. Where actions of devotees are prayers, actions of patriots are nation building. Without patriots, we cannot have nation building. Where patriotism is not a value, it's a virtue, and nation building is a continuous process. Well, this was the three aspects and the psychological and the philosophical part of this topic. Now, moving ahead to more of the practical version, I see that patriotism can be seen everywhere, but if I have to say that, it roars in the voice of Babasaheb Purandare, who taught us the history of the great Maratha king. It rejoices in the melody of Lata Mangeshkar. It can be seen as a proof in the receipt of every honest taxpayer who pays his dues. It can also be seen in the Indian cricket team who agreed to play in South Africa amid Omicron but denied to play in Pakistan amid terrorist activities. It can be seen in every contestant who's come from hundreds of kilometers, practically risking our lives to speak on patriotism and nation building. And it can be also seen in the legacy of Ratan Tata, who's built this nation. It can also be seen in every farmer, artisan who's keeping the culture alive. And moving ahead, nation building can be seen in the Indian times since the Vedic Kal. And speaking of the current aspect, ladies and gentlemen, COVID, a tragedy that struck India 2 years ago, just shaken our system. But with Sabka Saath, Sabka Prayas, Sabka Vishwas and Sabka Prayas, we ignited a sense of revolution and build up a health care system which was tertiary in all level. Not only, speaking of the current date, we have administered over 138 crore vaccines in India, over 12 crore vaccines in Maharashtra, which is a living example that the model of India is working. Well, I see that when we are celebrating the glorious 75th year of our independence, the Azadi Ka Amrut Mahotsav, there are many problems too. Let me correct myself. I don't see them as problems. I see them as scope of improvements. Why there has been a negative narrative sense across the nation? Well, I see that India is one of the youngest countries in the world. We are only 7 decades old. We cannot compare our patriotism and national building with the first world countries who are still fighting racism, who are still wanting a female president, where we in 1966 had a female prime minister. Moving ahead, ladies and gentlemen, I see that the current situation and the current analysis many of the previous speakers have told about. But I see that to build this nation, the central government must carry on Har Ghar Dastak for every policy that they make. The main problems happens is there is such a cluster in this country that we don't know about. And we also don't focus towards the important topics. We know more about Vicky Kaushal and Katrina Kaif's wedding than what's happening in the parliament. We know more about a mythical character called Daenerys Targaryen, who's mother of dragons, but we hardly know anything about Dr. Sindhutai Sapkar, who is mother to over thousands of orphans and just lives 20 kilometers away from here. We talk about the big infrastructure and big bills that has been passed in the parliament, but we have to see on the ground reality. Coming to Pune, I saw whether the roads were telling me Mohe Rang Do Lal because all of the gutkas and the spitchings were on the road. My heart wrenched when I saw the situation of Shaniwar Wada was depriving. So we have to call on for the cultural values because I see in the times of pizzas and burgers, our Puran Podi is losing its essence. In the times of Gucci and Versace, my Khadi is losing its essence. In the times of hip-hop songs, somewhere our cultural songs are depriving. And in all those times, we can derive that change when I say that rights and duties are must. Now, talking about the solutions, ladies and gentlemen, let those solutions be sustainable. The problems that I spoke about are critical as a mathematic equation, but let me derive some inspiration from Ramanujan, whose birth anniversary we'll be celebrating tomorrow, and give you sustainable solution. Number one is that call on for an intranational healthcare system, because if I now look at the prices of open heart surgery, I myself will die of a heart attack. The education system is just become a player blunder business where I am paying more than 1 lakh rupees for online streaming classes. Moving ahead, ladies and gentlemen, the Antrik Suraksha of this country is utmost important, where in my own city, communal riots broke out due to a fake news. We have to pay utmost importance towards our tribal community which are depriving. If I have to talk about Maharashtra, be it in Palghar and Melghat. But Harisal is making tremendous progress by being the first digital village in the state of Maharashtra. This is the model that I'm talking about. The central government is running its Ghar Ghar Pahuncho Sashan program, that is Good Governance Week. In that, they are clearing thousands of public remedies. Why wasn't that done before? I see that we don't take any time in imposing Section 144, but why do we take time in analyzing the natural calamities? We have to equip our coast in such a way that they should also help us around. The geography and the topography of this country is as such that intra-modal transportation system can happen here, just as the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana started back then in Atal Bihari's time and is also strengthening the country now. Our geography is so much interconnected that the rainwaters that we have in Sundarbans can be felt in Mumbai itself. Moving on to the point, ladies and gentlemen, ahead, everybody spoke about rights and duties, but what we can do as of now? 35 contestants coming here from many districts. Let us write a postcard to Honorable Prime Minister giving our solutions, so surely that he can look into it. And I see that we all were born as citizens, but the goal should be to live as nation builders and to die as patriots. और जब कभी मेरी जान जाएगी, तो एक एक खून का खतरा जितना मेरा है, वो एक एक खून का खतरा इस भारत को जीवित करेगा. I was born in my mother's lap, but I will be laid to rest in my motherland's soil. और वादा रहा इस माँ से और मातृभूमि से कि दूध और खून का कर्ज मैं दोनों निभाऊंगा. जय हिंद की सेना.